Are you tired of waiting months to get an RTX 3080? Do you have no money to play the latest AAA titles? It's time to stop waiting to get or finish that expensive gaming PC and get yourself a Windows 3.1 laptop. This thick boy is the Toshiba 610 CT that has a blazing fast Pentium 90 MHz processor, 40 megabytes of RAM, a 1 megabyte graphics card, 640 by 480 LCD display, dual PCMCIe expansion slots, and a 32 gig solid state drive. It also is very good at running the AAA titles of 30 years ago. But is it actually useful for productivity? It runs Microsoft Word at a blazing 60 FPS. Microsoft PowerPoint. Thick Lives Matter, the PowerPoint presentation. Now you can create dank meme presentations. Adobe Photoshop actually does run, and you can make some very nice artwork. Adobe Premiere 4.0. You can actually video edit on this at 320 by 240 resolution. Let's see if we have some video clip we can throw in. What do you know? We got some weird rainforest bird video that I can throw in, and it works at a pretty good solid 30 FPS. Doom also does run, and it's pretty solid in frame rate, but more importantly it does run Spaceship Warlock. And Fury 3 runs pretty decent as well. And you might be wondering, the battery actually does last 3 hours on this unit, and I have 3 of them, so they're also hot swappable. And the sound card is Sound Blaster Pro compatible with OPL3 support. It weighs about 4.8 pounds. It's not too heavy, not too light. Small, but thick. Unstoppable performance. Even Quake runs. Duke Nukem 3D. This one runs at a blazing 60 FPS. and Amazon Trail 2, which we're going to play on expert difficulty. With this laptop, you can run all the classic AAA titles of 30 years ago.
The Amazon rainforest is calling to you. The birds and the mammals, the flowers and the trees invite you to discover their secrets.